Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you exclude an IP address from being served to your Google Ads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to exclude an IP address from your Google Ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business sending out Google Ads, you know that sometimes your competitors are going to go in there and try to click to burn through your budget. Or maybe you're getting clicks from an IP address that's really not relevant, or sometimes it's an IP address internal and you don't want to be charged for self-inflicted clicks. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to exclude an IP address, it's going to be handled on the campaign level. So here on the left side, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, you're going to open up this menu right here, campaigns. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and scroll down and click on the button campaign. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these two little boxes right here. So in this box, you want to go ahead and choose the campaign that you want to block an IP address for. Okay, so once you've chosen the campaign, you're going to see this blue button right here, campaign settings. It looks like a gear icon. Click on it. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, you're going to look for this line right here, IP exclusions. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this little box right here. So you can go ahead and enter the IP address that you want to block. Once you've entered it in, you want to go ahead and click on this blue save button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to block an IP address in your Google Ads campaign, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.